Hubert and I are back in Vegas for work. As usual, I'm looking for something to do in the evenings. Found this, what looks like a pretty cool short hike just to the northeast of Vegas. It's called Frenchman Mountain. I think it's only a couple miles each way, but it looks like it picks up quite a bit of vert in that 2 miles. So it should be challenging, but what really drew me to it was a photo I saw someone posted on Google Maps of the way the city looks after the sun goes down. We're gonna go after work in the evening to catch sunset and hopefully some cool night views of the city.
So disheartening when you round a corner, you're like, ah, shit. You just look up, it's like, you climb up that thing from the beginning, and the beginning part's like, oh, that's terrible. You turn around the corner, it's like, it gets so much worse. At least there's switchbacks closer to the top, though. That stretch where those people are now coming down, that's pretty much straight up. Yeah, sunset's gonna be awesome. Just look how it's catching those rocks up to the left. Everything just gets so much cooler on sunset. You're just on mountain lion alert.
No, I knew it was mountain lion.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man, it looks like basically what we just did, just again. Look at that.
Woo! Oh, shit.
Well, that's a false summit and a half. Not only is it a false summit, but you have to go down again. I put a little heart here for us, so it appears up. Nice.
Yeah. The wind definitely picked up.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, dude, look at that.
Oh, yeah. You see the man like me shining off.
Every once in a while, one of my ideas pans out. Yeah, the needle, yeah. That's gotta be it. Beanie found. Success. Score, man. Yeah, being down a hat when it's this cold, man, is not pleasant. His heart feels better on the way back, now that I know it's not mocking me. The end of the uphill.
Right here. It's like,
Come and get me. Like Curly's gold, man. Come
yeah,
and get me.
feed me, please.
Nice job, man.
Thanks. Nice kid.
That was a tough hike, man. That is probably one of the tougher like short hikes I've ever done.
Yeah, that was tough.